Honorable Haruna. I nearly call him Oga. So I nearly woman kanama bian nearly bilan bian because lakpa mo azaba so bilan chen dagbang bilan chen man probe zaba. Come on how. Of the basit kuitire sumo dabai tinye images be tinye ka dagbang tamalente pa 5 northern regions mama non zo son pan man pergo dagbang na non zaba apolon te pa grun ngoza nyala ten celebrate shia that someone from Navrongo Senior High, Tamasco Senior High, until Paganasco. Until near Yellow to Ashel Niamen. Then on Yasan Pam Swahmatan Sachan Ganasco at 65. President John Dramani Mahama, His Excellency, was present and other dignitaries from the country. And even Swahma can Saban John Mahama Dagwarso, the Ganasco Kora left and all. So I can say about it I will in your Lord in a house, man. I thought it was just different. So ni born here to Asheniam. Then on Yasan Pam Titin Yaka Tamasco Male anniversary from the likes of Baumia, Dr. Anyas and many people Canada representing Ghana Kanye products of Tamasco. Kanyeka Ganasco Melbourne ka big dignitaries Canada from presidential staffers kakunya bikura karniela Ganasco products in yaba the nyala no nyo kanye bragging right until la schools ngoma from 15 senior high Calisco and a whole lot of schools Bisco bara nang bedene schools ma bian pam no Bisco no taba service namza even yes, baza these days in ye from Fadland, like the mile that bragging right, teaching your car, so dear you gonna zaka you school smazana. But the Yamata have a mamata Yama command. Dealing name you'll come and be an anniversary, Shanton saying Nante Tamasco, Ganasco, Nobisco, Bisco, and the yes and the Vistex Maza, teaching anniversary to behind. TM work membership cover you dagbang na maza. Yes, be nyala te MP na be nyala te president na be nyala te CEO na ka represent dagbamba zaba ase na numba ngam perse gurunse. Bani yan representer te za. Amma beti nyala special guest na ma. Last ku smart way la my bragging rights bezo. Kanye ka MP so Canadian maybe MP for Kumbongo for Tamale then won't nyelema or so ever but then come na kanye special guest there will not be any bragging right carriage here. This MP was from this school, this CEO was from this school. The Kwenyam come at invite them because of being Dagbamba Kazaza Shikarazo. Because of being Zawasikaza Shikarazo. Because your mama banam nara risk shell capital Changana Scott in your president man. Dr. Mahmoud Baumia banam nara non supien shell be risk shell ka chang Tamasco num te leader man. I can't will bam mama behe acto point kaman. Timin MP mo bimbala secondary school ya kaza. Acto point kaman timin zalan osi yo bimbala school ya kaza no. Akula nyele nof kanye o bima shirbe nof. Won kupon o manza kanon supien o embiela Ghana school. Bet karlepa nof. But Pambe Besselman, so when took a pong manza on big Ghana, better couldn't you know. I'm not saying it's compulsory that like Pamo Agua being saying rulers. No. It's possible that Ghana's connection can produce Bukura, can produce government officials, but I will opportunities tend to you in the sham, filing to their sham. The Zoya Pamka Lala Neroma deeper now on Dama. Now it to check a palace as she mama. A bit of pertanamda. Don't kunanka falbian ma, the tone on the last. So imagination yele. Assuming ka last kusuma shettle anniversaries. I and ye oga shamin ota shamaza and yella command maybe. Now only you nanda ambishaba. Kababazan was or a chewy. Maybe 10 years family. Like how I do some rang shamma. But like Pamoma now I check up Kambas are beat to years ashi. Bandam and Lila special guest. Took to address as products of that school. So I'm just speaking from my side nenye sham la pa mo har to no live by examples bane ka te me dormitories me science labs ka kana te ka te solve ka kana te commission le kaya never mielma up to standard ultra modern ultra what but with all that ultra moderns and ancillary facilities they will not allow their children to attend those schools. So biane the anniversaries na kana be bitin lela special guest tun sabon da karin yala let's welcome Oga Zala Tamasco let's welcome Zala Tamasco he all students ma abbreviation yala wala Ota yeah Ota Zala Oga Zala like that ma next Benedict yala kama swahma gafara kan mama sa MC ma sa bole hantem bole Honorable Haruna kayene I nearly call him Oga. So I nearly woman kana ba bian nearly be lam bian because la pa mo azaba so be bilan chen dagbang be bilan chen man prove zaba school even as special bragging rights na nya en chang la Zantane primary school en chang la primary school en chang la Damongo primary school then the maza shelan kan even kindergarten because of benye pamba ka chang to be south mazo be bilan sa zan be biso no karam pion kap like pion wo shikotama agba to my bragging rights over la bamba I know tomorrow biane la be man no ban sense za shishan bet bragging rights ya Tamasco no malka bisco malka no bisco mala the product ma yes den time ma bokto yevo man za ba sene bokto yevo man dagbamba na no bogurun sene pangpa mana bokto yevo ba bet that time tok to la volba Oga timi kuto volba Ota. We just go, let's welcome our noble MP, Honorable Zala for gracing this occasion. That bragging rights will not be there. So it's high time the most mame. I will video I nyeka nyelgumang mande dual hankal bere to her. Anto ntoma suggestion with your comments and don't forget to like and share. I know you need to do share and to subscribe because anytime of some content you can. I am Pahlaba and Europe. Peace out. Keep watching. Come on, how for more. Wulaki tumne tumber kasi ambor nyente heaven. Come on, how. Wulaki nyevenya adanka yetum la 247. Come on.